Gina. Hello, Greg. Where do you want to go? Downstairs. Okay. Wait for me. Let's get something from the vending machine. Okay. It does nothing. Let's continue walking. Yeah, let's go. Wait. Something fell. What is it, Greg? Something fell. Whoa, whoa. There's a ghost. I'm getting out of here. Gina. You're such a baby. Gina. Why did you want to run away? Because I'm terrified of vending machines. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, I heard some running and I heard some screaming. What's wrong? Oh, get out and get involved. She's afraid of vending machines. Really? Yeah, she's afraid of vending machines. I want to show you. Come here. Did you trip? No. Let's go. Stop dancing. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna stop dancing. Let's go. I told you to stop dancing. Okay. I'll stop now. No. See, watch. She's afraid of that. Okay, you know what? This is dumb. I'm going to chemistry. Bye. Okay, I'll dance.